654, 654, or 654, 654, or 654. This one would be written as, in Roman numerals, D, C, L, I, V. D, C, L, I, V. The number is 654. So it's 654. In this 600, there is 500. And 500 is represented by the letter D. It is 600 that we want, not 500. So we need to add 100 to this 500. We need to add 100. And this 100 is represented by the letter C. So what remains is 54. In this 54, there is 50, which is represented by the letter L. And then there is 4. 4 is represented by two letters, V and I. But the I is going to come before the V. V is for number 5. And since what we want is 5 less 1 or 5 minus 1, for 5 minus 1, it's going to be 4. We write the I on the left side. And this is how come we have these letters over here. There is D and D there. There is C and C here. There is L and L there. There is IV, IV. 654. (987), 987, 987, or 987, 987, or 987. This one is going to be written as C M L X X X V I I. C M L X X X V I I. And this number is the Roman numeral equivalent of 987. 987. So let's write it down right over here. 987. 987. The closest to this is 1000. And 1000 is represented by M. But 1000 is not what we want. We want 900. Therefore, we have to take away 100 from this particular 1000. And 100 is represented by what? 100 is represented by the letter C. Since it's going to be less 1000 or smaller than 1000, it means that we write M and in front of the M or at the beginning, C. CM means 1000 take away 100. If this C was written on the right side, it would have meant 1000 plus 100. But we have written it on this side. So it is 1000 minus 100, which gives us 900. So 900 is covered by this. What is remaining is 87. In this 87, there is 50. 50 is represented by L. So what we want is not exactly 50, it's 80. So we need to add a 10, another 10, and another 10, which is X, 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 for this to become 80. And then what's going to remain is 7, and 7 is written as VII. So when we check these letters starting from here, CM, there's CM, there's L, there's XXX, XXX, and then there is V. This represents 987 or 987. $234 or 234. 234 or 234. 234 or 234 would be written as CCX XXIV. CCXXXIV to represent 234. So it's 234. 234. So in this there is 100, which is represented by the letter C, another 100 represented by C also, to make 200. What remains is 34. In this 34 there is 10, which is represented by X, another 10 X, and another 10 X. Then there is 4 that's remaining, and 4 is written as VI, IV. So we get the letters. There is CC, CC, XXX, XXX, and IV, IV.